Hello everyone, my name is Naveen Kumar. I am pursuing MSc Fruit Science first year. Before beginning with the presentation, I would like to thank Dr. Prashant Bakshi sir for giving me this opportunity. Now I am starting my presentation on biodiversity and conservation of citrus. In this slide, you can see different kind of citrus fruits like orange, pink grapefruit, white grapefruit, lemon, tangerine, lime, kumquat and pomelo. The contents of my presentation are introduction, scientific classification, biodiversity, benefits and uses, origin and distribution, floral biology, propagation method, irrigation method, germplasm resources, geographical indication, intellectual property rights, and multiple choice question. Citrus fruit. Botanical name citrus species. Family Rutaceae. Chromosome number 18. Type of fruit Hesperidum. Subfamily Orontidae. Type of pollination self-pollination. Now scientific classification of citrus. Kingdom Plantae. Division Phanerogames. Class Dicotyledone. Subclass Rosidae. Order Sapindales. Tribe Citrae. Genus Citrus. Now let's move to introduction. Citrus is most cultivated fruit in the world with the highest acreage concentrated in the tropical and subtropical regions of the world. India ranks 6th in the production of citrus fruit in the world. In world, Brazil, USA, China, Mexico and Spain are the 5 largest citrus producing countries. It occupies 3rd position after mango and banana in the production of fruits in India. Citrus fruits are not only refreshing and delicious but are also very rich in vitamin C and contain 25 to 60 mg of vitamin C per 100 gram of juice. Biodiversity. Definition of biodiversity. Biodiversity is the variation among living organisms from different sources including terrestrial, marine and desert ecosystem and the ecological complexes of which they are a part. Biodiversity is the biological variety and variability of life on earth. Biodiversity is important in human managed as well as natural ecosystem. Now, biodiversity is a measure of variation at the genetic, species and ecosystem level. Terrestrial biodiversity is usually greater near the equator, which is the result of warm climate and high primer productivity. Types of biodiversity. There are 3 different types of biodiversity. First is genetic biodiversity, second is species biodiversity and third is ecological biodiversity. Now let's discuss them one by one. First is genetic biodiversity. It refers to the variation among the genetic resources of the organism. Every individual of a particular species differs from each other in their genetic constitution. That is why every human looks different from each other. Second is specific biodiversity. Specific diversity refers to the variety of different types of species found in a particular area. It is the biodiversity at the most basic level. It includes all the species ranging from plant to different microorganisms. And third is ecological biodiversity. An ecosystem is a collection of living and non-living organisms and their interaction with each other. It refers to the variation in the plant and animal species living together and connected by food chains and food webs. The 5 commercially important citrus fruit: sweet orange, Citrus sinensis; mandarin, Citrus reticulata; grapefruit, Citrus paradise; lemon, Citrus lemon; lime, Citrus aurantifolium. Mainly grown cultivars in India: sweet orange, Mosambhi, Satgudi, Valencia, Jaffa, pineapple, blood red and Chamoti. Mandarins: Nagpur Santara, Khasi Mandarin, Darjeeling Mandarin and Kurkinno. Lemon: Eureka, Baramasi lemon 1, Galgal, Pant lemon 1 and Assam lemon. Grapefruit: Mar seedless, Duncan, Foster, Red Blush, Triumph and Star Ruby. Tolerance for biotic stress: root rot, Rangpur lime, marmalade orange, Trower citrange and Carrizo citrange. Nematode: marmalade orange, sweet lime, trifoliate orange, Trower citrange, Carrizo citrange and Karna khatta. Tristrega virus: Rangpur lime, marmalade orange, rough lemon, Cleopatra mandarin, trifoliate orange, Trower citrange, Carrizo citrange and sweet orange. Exocortis: rough lemon, sweet orange, sour orange, Cleopatra mandarin and grapefruit. Gammosis: trifoliate orange, sour orange, Rangpur lime and Cleopatra mandarin. Now, benefit and uses of citrus. It contains high amount of flavor. It helps to improve the immune system, fighting against forming of free radical causes of tumor and cancer. Citrus fruit are not only delicious, but also they provide vitamins, minerals and many other substances. Reduces the risk of heart disease and stroke. It is lower the bad cholesterol. Citrus peels are rich in pectin, valuable in making jellies, candies, jams and pharmaceutical preparation. Lemons has high medicinal value as it is richer source of anti-scorbutic vitamin C than the sour or acid lime. Now, origin and distribution. Center of origin is Southeast Asia, bordered by North Eastern India, Myanmar, Burma and Yunnan province of China. From China, India and West Indies, it dispersed all over the world and now it is grown almost throughout world. Most cyan and rootstock cultivars that are widely grown in the main commercial producing areas of the world are originated as either chance seedling, selection or bud spot mutation. Now, origin of citrus fruit such as mandarin, Indochina and South China, sweet orange, South China, lemon, not known, lime, East India, pomelo, Malaysia, grapefruit, West Indies. Now let's discuss floral biology. Flowers are hermaphrodite, produce on current season, growth in cymes, both at axillary and terminal position. Flowers opening start from morning and extended up to evening, but maximum anthesis is between 11 am to 12 noon. The viability of pollen grain varies from 45 to 80% depending upon the season. The dehiscence of anthers takes place 45 minutes before anthesis or within 45 minutes after anthesis. It varies up to 5 hours after anthesis. Propagation method: asexual method, sexual method, rootstock propagated sexually by seed, seeds germination percentage, rough lemon 70 to 80%, sour orange 60%, seed sown on seedbed in September or February March, ready for transplanting after 6 to 12 months. 1 year after transplanting, seedling are ready to transplant. In this slide, you can see the propagation method such as tea budding. Now let's discuss irrigation method and its types one by one. First is furrow system, second is flood system, third is drip irrigation and fourth is sprinkler system. Now, furrow system. This method is suitable in areas where the orchards are planted in slopy land. The consumption of water is less in this system and there is no risk of bark disease. Intercropping or green manuring is not possible in furrow system. This system is suitable for old orchard. Next is flood system. This method is useful where intercrops or green manuring crops are grown in an orchard. There is a disease of bark disease and collar rot or foot rot because the tree trunks remain in contact with water for a long time. This system is suitable for orchards of more than 8 to 10 years old. Now, next is drip system. In this system, water is delivered directly to the soil near the root of the plant through a special outlet device called an emitter or dripper. Drip irrigation is also known as trickle irrigation or micro irrigation or localized irrigation. Is an irrigation method that saves water and fertilizer by allowing water to drip slowly to the roots of plant either onto the soil or directly onto the root zone through a network of valves, pipes, tubing and emitters. Next is sprinkler system. It is a device used to irrigate agricultural crops, lawns, landscapes, horticulture crops, and other areas. They are also used for cooling and for the control of airborne dust. Sprinkler irrigation is the method of applying water in a controlled manner in way similar to rainfall. The water is distributed through a network that may consist of pumps, valves, pipes, and sprinklers. Germplasm resources. Exotic collection of citrus germplasm was started in 1940. Kinno mandarin was one of the collection which is now a leading cultivar in northwestern India. Besides, other exotic collection were Valencialate, Washington Navel, Jaffa, Malta Blood Red, Pineapple, Ruby Orange, Dancy Tangerine, Clementine, Temple, Duncan, Mar Seedless, Lisbon Lemon, and Trifoliate Orange. More than 650 accession are being maintained at CHES Chithali, Bangalore, CHES Ranchi, RFRS Abohor, NRC on Citrus Nagpur, Horticulture Experiment Station Bathinda, IRI New Delhi, MPKV Rahuri, Citrus Improvement Project Tirupati, Citrus Experiment Station Nagpur. For establishment of Gene Sanctuary National Park, the natural genetic diversity of Citrus indica was observed in the forest of Garo Hills in Meghalaya, which exhibited plants character varying from bush to climber with high frequency of distribution in dense forest and showing resistance to biotic stress. Genetic material of citrus is conserved in field gene bank or repository. Now let's discuss geographical indications. Large variety of fruit grown in India, of which mango, banana, citrus, guava, grape, pineapple, and apple are the major ones. Apart from these, fruits like papaya, sapota, falsa, jackfruit, pear, pomegranate in tropical and subtropical areas, and peach, pear, almond, apricot, and strawberry in the temperate region are also grown in sizable area. In India, many varieties of different fruit crops growing under specific climate and in a specific zone of climate. Some example of varieties of fruit crops which are grown under specific climates includes Alfonso variety of mango in Konkan region, Kesar variety of mango in Gujarat, Shahi variety of lychee in Bihar, Nagpur mandarin of citrus in Nagpur, region of Maharashtra, Kinno variety of citrus in Punjab, Khasi mandarin, Khasi hills, etc. A geographical indication is a name or sign used on certain products which corresponds to a specific geographical location or origin. The use of a GI may act as a certification that the product possesses certain qualities or enjoy a certain reputation, essentially attributable to their geographical origin. A geographical indication registry with all India jurisdiction operates as per the Geographical Indication of Goods Registration and Protection Act 1999. A total of 193 products were registered under GI tag up to March 31st, 2013. Now fruit crops registered under GI tag in India: Nanjana banana, Karnataka; Kurg orange, Karnataka; Devnahali pomelo, Karnataka; Epimedi mango, Karnataka; Kamalpur red banana, Karnataka; Lakshman Bhog mango, West Bengal; Khirsapati Himsagar mango, West Bengal; Fazli mango, West Bengal; Virupakshi hill banana, Tamil Nadu; Shirumalai hill banana, Tamil Nadu. Now intellectual property rights. Intellectual property. According to the World Intellectual Property Organization, the term intellectual property indicates the legal right resulting from intellectual activity in the field of science, industry, literature and art. Problems with intellectual property: copy, intellectual property rights, the right of an inventor to derive economic benefits from his invention. It is recognized by the government so long as it is not to detriment of the society. Main forms of IPR: patents, copyrights, trade secrets and plant breeder rights. Patents right granted by a government to an inventor to exclude other from imitating, manufacturing, using or selling the invention in question for commercial use during the specialized period 20 years from date of filing. Patents are granted for invention or innovation, process, product of an invention, concept, requirement for grant of patent, novelty, inventiveness, industrial application and usefulness, patentability, disclosure. Copyright. Copyright is a set of exclusive right granted by the law of a jurisdiction to the author or creator of an original work, including the right to copy, distribute and adopt the work. Ideas or concepts do not have copyright protection. Copyright protects the expression of the idea but not the ideas themselves. Copyright protection applies for a specific period of time after which the work is said to enter the public domain. Trade secrets. When an organization owning an intellectual property does not disclose the property to anyone and keep it as closely guarded secret to promote his business interest, unlimited duration, no need to fill application, no chance for other for improvement upon the product. Now the time for some question answers. Family of citrus Rhotaceae. Mandarins are highly susceptible to waterlogging. Trifoliate orange is resistant for phytophthora and nematodes. Hybrid kinnu is cross between king sweet into willow leaf. Citrus canker is most serious disease of acid lime. Classification of citrus was given by Tanka and Swinkle 1945. Best rootstock for Mosambik, Rangpur lime. Spacing of the kinnu variety plants at 1.8 meter into 1.8 meter. Self-incompatible is found in sweet lime. Thank you for kind attention.